We always let Leo know when we're coming into Belize. Last time he met us off the bus station in Belize City. And we went out for breakfast and that, but we let them know we were coming this time and that we had a car. So the options were to go to dinner in Orange Walk, or they said, or we can go out to my brother's farm. So like, yeah, I'll jump on that. We found Leo's house. He gave us really good directions. So I've been to say hi to him and his wife. We're here with Leo. Can I call you Leo or is it Leo now?
Whatever.
And Marcella. And your name again? Erica. Erica. So we're gonna head out to your brother-in-law's farm. So your brother. We're gonna head up to the farm. We might be getting muddy here. We'll pick up and carry the car if we need to. Seeing this grass, the sugar cane with the plume on top, on the drive down, and I was like, oh, that is so pretty. We had to look up what it is. Yeah, it's flowering sugar cane.
Yeah, they have beans. These are black beans.
Black beans.
Yes.
That's a lot of black beans.
Yes. Then that's the cane field. We usually do like cut some cane and fed the cows with that.
Oh, okay.
So in that way, they have enough pasture to eat.
Maybe that's why they're such pretty cows. Because to be honest, some of the cows you see out here
very
are not
skinny or not very healthy. These are okay.
Oh my gosh, look at that flower. It's a beautiful flower.
Those plants are the young pumpkins. You can
Nice.
see one here.
Oh, yep. Do you guys use the pumpkin blossom?
Yes.
Yeah.
Or what we do, we cut the little
Yep. The tips.
of it, and we steam them.
Okay.
That one has the seed. We call it pepitas. From that pumpkin, we get the pepitas. Jalapenos, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes.
You can see there's a couple of peppers on this one.
Those are beautiful. I haven't seen them up close like this though. A natto seed. Oh, look at that flower. That's gorgeous. Very red.
Yes.
Wow.
Wow.
Does it? Oh my goodness. That's like paint.
Yes. We use the leaf as like medicinal plants also.
Okay.
It's good like when you have rash.
So it's just very soothing for the skin.
Yes.
Okay. So here is Marcella's mom. You're the one that makes the cheese. So is this for people to eat or for cows to eat or both?
We take when this already has the seeds, the corn itself. We root out the corn and then we fed the cows with this.
Oh, okay.
The reason why they plant the natural in between the planting trees is so that it doesn't have too much of the
Sun?
the
Bush is growing?
bush is growing up.
Oh, okay. So the annatto keeps the weed down for the bananas. Nice. It'll climb up this?
Yes, gonna climb and then you just come and and just cut them.
And what is this one?
That's the chayote?
The
Cassava. Is that a baby avocado?
No,
No?
No.
Mango?
neither. That's a weed.
Bushes.
It's a weed. Red beans. Do you keep them separate so you can
Yes,
save
so
the
that
seed?
Yes.
Yeah.
If we mix them together, then we don't.
You get red and black.
Yes.
And in between. It's beautiful out here. I miss my garden very much. Marcella's brother was saying that your dad is who cleared this.
Yes.
All this land. They've got 75 acres that he cleared by hand with axe and chainsaw. No big equipment.
No.
Took 40 years. And now you guys are farming here. And hopefully someday building something up so that they can do tours. We're rooting for them. They just spread like crazy, don't they? The banana.
Yes. Well, they plant them, one single one, then they start to grow like those little ones. We don't have to cut them and plant them somewhere else so that we can have another set of planting trees.
So very.
Así recta. ¿La viste? Sí. This is the purple cane.
Purple cane.
Yes, they have the like
But
yellowish
it
one.
look black though.
Look at it.
It doesn't look purple.
No.
It's black, right?
Oh, it looks purple.
No, to me it looks black.
This this here.
Camouflage.
Okay, yeah, this one looks more black than this one. This one's purple. That one's more black. Are these the same?
Yeah,
Yeah.
they're from the same. But they have another kind that is more thicker,
Okay.
The
and
yellow one.
it's the yellow one.
Okay.
And these ones are more softer to bite than the other one.
Okay.
That's the antibiotic.
That's in the antibiotic.
This plant here with the red flower?
Yes.
Okay.
So we call it the redhead. You boil it and you wash your infected areas with it. Now take it off.
Nice. See, we've been studying the plants that we have where we live, and so we can tell you, like, if you were to come to where we live, I could take you on a medicine walk.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. But you're kind of like the Belizean version of each other. You know all the plants down here, and
You know
I know all the
plants
plants up there.
I bring Ken Fayanda.
Yeah, I bring this for Erica.
Oh.
This one I'm done cool. The one I get born up, I got meal,
Oh, this have
Do you
honey.
understand
Yeah,
it?
yeah, funny.
A little bit.
So these ones that are cut has honey already.
Oh, okay.
They are burned.
They
They burn them
Okay.
so that they can do the sugar.
Oh, okay.
But
They-
this one is different than that one.
That's the yellow.
No, this is the one that is
That's the
specially for
sugar cane,
sugar.
sugar
If you
cane.
touch
Okay.
it, you can.
Oh, yeah, that's sticky
Yes.
and sweet. Cow feeding
Mind
time.
her to the machine.
No. The boy just smash it.
You know what, please?
How do you do it?
Just make it cut it. Make it broke it.
Oh, okay. All right.
And you look it already.
Just don't chop my finger off.
No.
You're better with a machete than that.
It's hard.
It tastes like sweet corn.
Sweet corn, yeah. A little bit more.
That's good. Tough.
Too hard?
No. That's a good snack.
That house there
Yeah.
used to be a greenhouse.
Okay. Now, okay, this is a question that I have. Why on earth would you need a greenhouse in this environment and climate?
One, because the plague that has the ground have a type of insect.
Okay.
It's called the white fly,
Okay.
and
So it protects them from...
yes,
Okay.
from those flies.
That makes sense.
Because we have to, in the greenhouse, you don't spray chemicals.
Okay, right.
It's mostly natural stuff.
Okay.
You put the chicken stool, the feces, and you throw it there so it can be like nutrients for the
Yes.
plant.
The leaf?
You're asleep.
I saw something like this in the city and I tried to do it, tickle it, and it wasn't doing anything, but this is what I was trying to... That was so cool. They have those in the South Pacific where I was telling you guys we live. And my kids love that plant. It's just like a toy.
It's good now that they're feeding the cow with the cane. No? She guides the cows. Like when we move it from one spot to another location, she is the one who headed the group.
Okay. She's the lead.
She's the one that leads.
So when you sell them for beef, do you guys market the live cow? Or do
Yes,
you-
live. They come and pick them up. We sell them by pounds.
Okay.
And that way, but we try sell them like that one. See that is a male. We try sell out all the males. We try to leave the females so that can reproduce.
Grow the herd. You want to say hi?
Hi,
What's your name?
my name is Jazir.
Jazir. Can you see yourself in the camera there?
Yes, Mom.
Do you like helping with the cows?
Yes, Mom.
Yes, Mom. You're so polite. Good manners. So which one are you going to go poke?
None of them.
None of them, because that's a bad idea, right?
I just want to go and touch them.
Ah. Touch them nicely. Okay. Do the kids like helping on the farm, or do they consider it work?
No, they enjoy playing because they do play.
Yeah.
Most of the time, whatever they do it with that energy of playing, seeing the animals coming behind them.
Yeah.
Oh, they want to put up a show. That area there is where they feed the little ones so that they can get the little ones and put them aside so that they doesn't get the milk from their mother. So by tomorrow morning, when my brother is milking the cow, they have enough milk
Uh-huh.
so that they can.
And how often does your mom make cheese?
Every day.
Every day.
Yes.
And does she sell it around here?
Yeah, but most of the time she tries to do the hard cheese so it can be sold out to the city.
To the city. Okay.
Why not? Oh, she did it at home already. Oh, but here where they do the milking. Go in right in here. They put the stick behind. They give her to eat something there. Then the other guy is sitting down there too.
Nice. A good system.
Yes. And those are the little ones that already put in the cage so that it doesn't bother their mom when they milk them.
Sometimes when they are small, you need to touch them to make them be tame. You need to touch them like that one. Me and my brother always touch her.
Yeah.
The little one.
So in that way,
Does she have a
The
name?
green robe. I put her name.
What's her name?
Onsa.
Onsa. That's a pretty name.
She born the 11th. In Spanish, it named Once.
Okay.
How it's a girl, we call her Onsa.
Okay.
And she born the 11th.
Okay.
Conga, the black one is Conga.
Okay.
The one that is laying down is Mariposa, and the one that is the little bull beside the green rope is Venado. It's a
Venado.
deer, like a deer.
Oh, okay.
He runs like a deer.
Oh, okay. I always wished that I grew up on a farm. No, for real.
yeah, it's very adventurous the way how they, the way how we grow them because we always be with them so that they can be tamed.
She's very confident.
Oh. That's better than a dog, huh? Yeah, that puppy.
Sometimes when they are in there, they need to tie their foot because some of them kick and some of them don't kick.
You said
Right
this?
here is a good place.
Yes. I told Marcella that I always wished I grew up on a farm.
Yeah,
So.
it's fun. You go on every day. You can ride the horse, and you can go and feed the cows, touch them, tame them, and it's good.
Yeah. Bye. You said going walking at nighttime. Are there jaguars?
Probably yes.
Yes. Do you go walking with a gun?
Yeah,
Yeah.
have to.
Yeah.
And snakes.
Yeah.
You can see different kind of animals during the night.
We've known Leo for 4 years now. We met 4 years ago. People are more about community
Yes.
here, and it's not like that as much in the US. I already told Marcella thank you, but I wanted to say thank you again for bringing us to show us the family farm and letting me intrude with the camera. And
You're welcome.
I think that other people that are going to watch this are going to be just as curious as us. So I'm going to catch Leo chopping open a coconut like a professional over here. Ooh! So you just drink it straight out of there, huh?
Yeah.
Cheers! It's actually easier than it looks. It is getting all over my chin, but I thought I was going to dump it all over the place. But it's kind of, you do a good job making it so you can drink from it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. It must be nice just having a coconut tree in your front yard, huh?
They are so high.
We plant the other ones on the other side.
Okay.
We try to have as much as coconut because we like, especially when the heat is on,
Yeah.
we take out.
How old is this tree?
Less than 4 years.
Really?
Yeah. Because when I was working at Maruba, when you guys come, this tree didn't exist.
Really? That's fast. Oh, that's really good. It's even fresher than the one that we had at the market. I mean, this is straight off the tree, but we had one yesterday at the market. But it was busy.
Okay.
Is that normal or no? Have a little bit of fizz? Or is that if it's starting to ferment?
Yes, it's starting to ferment.
Ah, okay. So if you let it ferment a little bit more, it's like a cocktail.
Almost.
You don't need to add the rum.
No.
Oh, that's good stuff. The car matches the coconuts. It kind of looks like a coconut, doesn't it?
Coconut
Look
one.
wrong. Look wrong. Okay.
Thank you so much.
See you again, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, of course.
Absolutely.
Hopefully it won't be 2 years before we make it back to Belize. We always want to come back sooner, but
You guys
Alright.
so,
hanging out with us.
yes, very good to
Okay.
very good to actually
have
get
a
to meet
safe
you
trip.
this time. You were you
Have a
guys.
nice day.
Yep, God bless.
Same to you.
Tell Erica we said goodbye.
Okay.
Very nice people.
Cool people.
So that was definitely my kind of afternoon.
Oh yeah.
That was really interesting. Like I love to see. I was telling Marcella, and me and Jim have talked about it a lot. Like we love gardening and growing food and that. And part of what I love about traveling is being able to see just other places and how other people do it in other places. And you know, I think someday we'll probably have a bed and breakfast type thing again. We did kind of the farm to table Airbnb and really enjoyed that, hosting people and just being able to share that lifestyle with people from all over the world. And when we travel, that's just a big part of our travels. We'll go on garden tours or farm tours, or I mean, that's how we met in San Ignacio, or met Santiago up in San Ignacio, is because his Airbnb is hosted on a farm, and met Leo doing a medicinal plant walk here in Belize. And so I was just very grateful to be able to go and meet their family and see how they do things. And I really hope that eventually they're able to realize their plans of developing their family farm into a place that people can come and stay and experience just the traditional Belize culture.
I got some cane juice and some coconut juice all up in my beard and all
Oh
over
yeah,
my
I'm very
face.
sticky.
I'm a little sticky right now, but man, it's just hot and sweaty. But I mean, rarely have I felt better. I just love the tropics and it's the way it makes you feel, and especially the people.
I'm sweaty. It's time for some AC, so I hope you guys like this video. we're gonna head for the border. We're gonna try and hit the Belize-Mexico border and get up to Chetumal, hopefully before dark. We'll see how that goes.